one of them. You'll see the 4-leaf petal on this, and the imagery of the 4-leaf petal. You can see coins from Bukhara that are Christian 4-leaves, and you'll see 4-leaf designs in a lot of the Tajik designs today. And so, interesting here, you see 3 crosses, I would say. There are 3 crosses, and there's a lot of strong imagery because Christians were in Bukhara, Samarkand, also Tajikistan area, Shahistan, up by Khojent. They all found crosses in those areas. Also down by Cambodia near the Afghan border. They call it Tajikistan, which is just north of Mazar-e-Sharif. You see a lot of Christian stuff from those areas. So this design became part of a lot of imagery. Look for the cross, 4-leaf petal. Very few leaves, very few flowers have a 4-leaf petal.